Hey guys, welcome back to SRK Photos YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce size of the picture into KBs, or you can say how to compress the picture without losing quality in absolutely free. So watch the video till the end. Let's start. For example, this is the photo. I want to reduce the size. First, let me show you the details of this picture. Let's see the size of this picture. Okay, the size is around 5.8 MB, means about 6 MB. Now let's reduce the size of this picture. To reduce the size of picture, we need one app. For that, just go to the Play Store, click on search bar and just type PIXELLAB Pixel Lab app, and here it is. So I have already downloaded this app. Now just open this app. After opening Pixel Lab app, you will see this interface. Now simply click on this delete symbol and click on OK. Okay. Now to open a photo, just click on these three dots and simply click on use image from gallery. Now just select the photo you want to decrease the size and simply click on this arrow. And to reduce the size of the picture, just click on this save symbol and click on save as an image. Now in dimensions, click on the small arrow and you will see these options. Low option is for if you want picture size around 20 kb to 100 kb. Medium size option is for if you want photo size around 400 kb to 600 kb, and high option is for if you want photo size around 3 MB. For example, I want the size of this picture is around 20 to 100 kb, so I will select low option and simply click on save to gallery, and photo saved in your gallery. Let's check the photo into the gallery. Okay, so this is the photo. You can see the quality is very good. Let's see the size of this photo. Go into details. You can see the size of this photo is 180 kb. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tricks and tips like this.